the newest member of the Blackhawk family, Blackhawk Liquid, a powerful predator that fiercely eliminates grease, grime, and debris from coils. Blackhawk is now offered in the economical liquid gallon package and the convenient aerosol. The new Blackhawk Liquid is used for cleaning multiple coils, and Blackhawk Aerosol offers convenience in a smaller package size. Blackhawk flies high as an exceptional all-purpose cleaner for condenser and evaporator coils. Both Blackhawk products are safe and effective for various applications: kitchens, walk-in coolers, freezers, exhaust hoods, and metal washable filters. Blackhawk's non-fragrance formula produces no objectionable fumes, making it perfect for equipment in food processing areas. Blackhawk is tough on grease, grime, and debris, while being safe on microchannel coils. It is also non-flammable, and it's NSF certified for food processing applications. Blackhawk is OEM approved. Blackhawk Aerosol is convenient. Its expanding foam provides superior lifting power, and it can be sprayed at any angle to separate debris from the coils so it can be easily rinsed away. The Blackhawk family of products is brought to you by Nu-Calgon.